Imagine downloading a zip file but it is locked with a password. What do hackers do? Today I will show you how hackers crack zip file passwords using real tools. But remember, this is for educational purpose only. Let's begin. First, we need two things. John the Ripper, a powerful password cracking tool. Wordlist, a list of possible passwords. These tools are available on Debian Ubuntu based or even Windows with WSL. On Kali Linux or any Debian Ubuntu based system, run sudo apt install John the Ripper. This will install John the Ripper on your system. I have a protected zip file here called secret.zip. Our goal is to recover the password. To crack a zip password, we first need its hash. Use this command. Ipt John target zip file redirect operator hash.txt. You can name the output file whatever you want. This converts the zip file into a hash format that John can understand. Now, run John with your word list to find the password. Use John with the tag word list option. For example, John tag word list /user/share/ word list. /rockq.txt. Then specify the zip hash stored in the hash.txt file. The rockq.txt file comes pre-installed on Kali Linux in /user/share/wordlist. John will start testing each password from the list until it finds the correct one. Boom! The password is found. Password. Now you can open the zip file. So how do you protect your files from this? Always use a strong password that is long, random and not in any common word list. If you can, enable encryption options in your compression tool. This was an ethical hacking demo for educational only. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe and turn on the bell for more cybersecurity tutorials.